Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and beautiful idea. Crochet cushion covers, like beautiful crochet flower, patchwork embroidery, colorful combination, and beautiful styles. Crochet flower pillow cushion covers. Ideas of crochet flower cushion covers can be stunning addition to your home, blending texture and colors in a beautiful way. Or how you can create one. Choose your yarn, select soft vibrant yarn for the flower and neutral or contrasting color for the cushion background. Cotton yarn is ideal for crochet flower styling, like crochet pillow cushion covers, crochet flowers, decoration vase flowers, and crochet flower plant pots. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern for this channel, so I hope you like it. Like best option for your choice and for your style ideas, different and latest crochet cushion covers, and like flower stylish different crochet flower ranging from simple ideas to intricate roses. You can make a variety of flowers in different size and colors to add depth and visual interest to your cushion covers. Once you have all your flowers, arrange them on the front of the cushion's cover. So like look central, bouquet, or even cover the door, uh, like your face